that one extra turn is going to be the make or break on that.
Fine. You're going to be good.
Oh, you're breaking it.
Take her out. Let's take her out.
Good afternoon, Chris Lutton, Covered 6 Medical Programs Instructor and retired Chief Hospital Corpsman.
How you doing? My name is Kirk Mount. I'm also one of the head medical instructors here at Covered 6 Academy. And what I'm here to talk to you today is actually about a new product that just hit the market. It's called ETQ by Snakestaff Systems. I really like this product. We actually just tested it today. One of the things I like about it is you see I just sort of folded it out is how accessible it can be to fit in your pocket. And if you ever have to use it at night, it does come with a nice glow stick on the side of it as well to give you a little bit more visibility.
No, I've actually used the cat tourniquet quite a bit in my military days, and this ETQ-wide, which is the other version of the Snakestaff system tourniquet, works really well. And just like a cat tourniquet, it actually has a spring-released clip which actually allows the windlass to get in there and holds in place. A little bit different than the cat, but actually works really well. We had good results and outcomes with testing the last 2 days we've tested this.
If we had to say anything negative about it, is maybe with the thin ones, as you could tell, if we were to put this on or anything, if you actually pinch it together under stress, it may bind up a little bit more than the wider versions or the normal cat tourniquets.
And I would say with this, the only real, I wouldn't even call it an issue, but the glow stick does break pretty simple. So you would have to replace them, which is a good part of them. You can buy replacement glow sticks, but that was the hardest thing I found about it.
If you're interested in picking any one of these up, you can just go ahead and visit Snakestaff Systems. Again, this is the ETQ.